So there's a problem right here between my fingers somewhere. Somebody has testicle or penis symptoms, I would check a genitofemoral nerve. Genital means genitals. Okay, so like I just shared, here's all the medial psoas. I sink onto the midline and I pull up. This is all the medial psoas here. The lateral psoas is right here. So in between all of these borders, this is all psoas. So I can just compressive palpation and I feel like nice and soft up here, tone right here. So there's a problem right here between my fingers somewhere. For our purposes right now, I'm going to start about right in this area and I'm going to be nice and slow and I'm going to sink and see where I feel the genitofemoral nerve. So I feel it right here, it's not there. So it comes out right here. So there's the genitofemoral nerve. Now I can come down on top of the psoas. I have to be careful. I'm not compressing through the psoas. I'm just sinking until I feel the psoas, and then I bow. And the femoral branch, he's got some right there. The femoral branch is going to stay on top of the psoas all the way down to the inguinal ligament. He's got a little bit right here too. And then the split, here's the genital branch. The split is right here. So right now I'm between the two branches. And then I can follow the genital branch and it starts going around the medial psoas. And then right in here, we did this the other day. So he's got something right here between the psoas and the medial branch. And to do a pass, it's just like the psoas. I'm going to find my groove. I'm going to sink in next to the nerve. Right now, between the nerve and the psoas. Take depth, and then I tension. I'm tensioning down that way in order to take tension on that.
She's on it. She's grazing it.
So you're grazing it, so now you got to bow it.
There.
I would scan this during the exam for any low back or hip complaint. But if someone's psoas is an issue in here, if somebody has testicle or penis symptoms, I would check a genitofemoral nerve. Genital means genitals. You could have pinching in the hip. It goes down to the femoral, anything in the femoral nerve area. It will cross the inguinal ligament and it has two little branches that go down like this. So it can be stuck right here or anywhere up in there. Stephanie, can you get ready to move this leg?
You're on the branch of the psoas, or?
I'm on I want to be where I was earlier. Let me see if I'm there. Between the medial branch and the psoas. What do you think?
Between the medial branch. It's still going to be on the psoas up that high.
Am I?
It looks like you're medial to the psoas.
Yes. So
It's still going to be on top of the psoas because it's going to split somewhere around here. So it's going to be here.
It doesn't split until like down and like
Around L4 it splits.
But I feel something right
I'm sure you feel something.
there.
that is definitely something.
Yeah, okay. That's the spot I was on.
Really not there.
Okay.
Right
I don't usually get that kind of feedback.
Is that tension?
Does that mean that she was going at some vector that wasn't depth?
It felt like she took depth, and then I felt tension start coming, so I just wasn't sure if she was doing the whole setup or.
Go slower.
Right? Does that work? Yeah. Or that's great.
Okay.
Own it, and then I'll start to roll through so I'll start to set up some shapes.
That's tension?
I like it.
Yeah.
Okay.
There's usually a divot.
All right.
You can see that kind of.
Good stuff. Because you're flexed like this instead of having your hand flat against this side.
And I can change it now. Okay.
Good stuff. When you take depth, ideally you're like this, and you're dropping your lats into your side. Try to sink in with your body. May I get in
I
there?
just mean like the girdle itself. Like I'm still.
But that's still going to
learning
be okay. Got it. That's going to be more work than you coming in like this and then I drop my body weight into my side.
It's just
So
it's
when
smoother
you're,
too.
when you're doing that with all those fingers, but I have one little spot that I'm trying to get.
Practicing to feel which finger are you feeling with. That's so like right here is the spot. I'm dropping my entire hand into his side, and then right there's my setup. And see how my hand's flat against his side? I'm happy with this setup right here. It's tugging right in this spot. If somebody wants to work on that. Stephanie, start up high. You took depth with your hands, then you bent over. So what I'd like you to see, take depth as you're hinging your hips and your lats and your entire body is sinking in.
That's more comfortable.
Mm-hmm.
His elbow's gotta be in this spot, right?
Go, Stephanie. Go. Not quite.
Oh, I'll come back. I need more tension. There's got to be a tension set. There, yeah.
Ramped up right there. Yeah.
Go ahead.
Is that getting greater? Good job. Yeah, right there. Yeah.
Yeah, I was rolling on. Yeah, I can't wait.
Nice.
It hurts. Like the victim. I believe it.
So for her, I would bend her a little bit more. Okay. Just to soften everything up. Okay. You've got bam in between.
Right there.
Good.
Can you get your elbow out in front of you like this instead of being back here? Try to do even just a pass again, even if it's just on the psoas, but put your elbow out in front of you and to the side.
This one?
Yeah, that. And now drive from here.
She's crushing something.
Because that will put less load on your hands and your fingers.
So much.
You just got to choose a better spot.
Saying that she needed to do this more.
She can still do that like that.
I was trying to figure it out.
Oh, so you're coming from that way instead of over the top.
What do you mean?
I was coming more here.
Like
I
this?
feel like
Yeah,
Yes.
this.
I was trying to-
You are here,
Yeah,
and this is going to load this and this, which you're having issues.
yeah.
So I'm here, my hand's isometric. I drop my lats, my torso. So it's like my hands are here, and I'm hinging and pushing into my thigh.
Okay.
where are you at, Chris?
Ish. I mean,
This is where she was. This is, I don't know if it's maybe right on top of the psoas. It's just a lot of pressure. I don't know.
Isn't that where we're supposed to be?
yeah.
Yeah, I think it's right on top. It's right on top of something that when you sink in, there's not as much pressure.
When I sink in,
Yeah. Like that is very comfortable for me.
yeah, I think it's because she's using her fingers a lot, which
Okay.
I'm dropping like my sternum's going into my lats, into my hands. And then I'm driving my elbow.
Yeah.
And my hand, there's not as much load through my fingers.
Yeah, it's better. Still some hand tension there, but
Don't choke on your gum.
it's a lot easier.
If you do, we'll save you.
That was a lot easier.
So you did practice, and even being a little bit staggered, like it's not just necessarily here, it's a little bit more here, and then dropping into your side. And you're hinging through your lats into your entire body to push in, not just your fingers.
So much better.
Yeah.
So much better for me
So
too.
much, like so much better.
Thank you.
Way less load on the hands.
Yeah.